Today I'm going to be doing something simple, fried chicken. A lot of people do it in different ways, and this is just my take on it. Okay. Next, I'm gonna clean the chicken. What I do is I take the skin off. I know some people like the skin, but I usually remove it. But either way is okay, depending on your preference. I also cut off all the fat, and depending on how I'm gonna cook it, I may cut the chicken into smaller pieces. Today I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces because of the container that I'm going to use for lunch. Then after that I wash it. I am using vinegar here to wash it, but sometimes I use lime, or I use both vinegar and lime. And make sure I wash it thoroughly. I know there is some people who don't wash it, but we're not that. Next, I'm going to put the seasoning in. I'm going to put salt, black pepper, chicken seasoning, Maggi chicken seasoning, and pepper. Then I can just mix them all together. Some people don't season the flour, but I like to season the flour. Then I prepare the flour for the chicken. I usually season it a little, so I add a little bit of salt and a little black pepper and pepper. Then I prepare the egg, and you can put a little pepper in the egg, or a little salt, depending on what you like. And then I dip the chicken in the egg before I put it in the flour. And then I just shake the bag up and make sure that the flour is all around it, like it's well coated in the flour. So I put the oil in the pot, and I'm just going to make it get really hot before I start putting them in. I'm using vegetable oil, but you can use any oil of your preference. This is I'm trying to put a good amount in there. I mean, we're not deep frying it. I would love to deep fry it, but so that's the first batch that I've put in, and gonna give it some time to get brown, to fry up. It already smells so good. Yeah, just turned this one, already start having a nice color. See? Yeah. I'm liking the color so far. I'm gonna put them in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's up to you what you prefer. I want them to be very much soaked all the way through. So I'm gonna leave them there in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then they'll be ready. So here they are, my fried chicken. They're looking very delicious. Can't wait to bite. At this point, it's actually cooked, so you can just eat them like this. But I kind of like to give them that additional soaking. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So now I'm putting it in the oven. This is
you got a pharmacy around here?
the final thing. I'm gonna taste it now. Okay, so this is the final thing. I'm gonna taste it. Really, really good. So good. Yummy. So that's it for today. Kimberly's yummy fried chicken. Let me know how it goes.